Now, what has happened after the serious flags and the flaws were reportedly flagged during a dry run of CBSE's OSM, or the on-screen marking system? The board reportedly carried out a series of course corrections, or at least the claims which are coming in at the moment is that they tried to course correct. What is it that we are learning from our sources? That before the nationwide rollout, according to internal reports reviewed by media outlets, evaluators had highlighted a dozen of technical operational concerns, including unsafe progress, server instability, and many other issues. But in response, CBSE says it upgraded the server capacity, it added a save option, it simplified the process for deleting the mask, resolved the static IP problem, repositioned marks to prevent them from obscuring students' answers, and improved the marking scheme as well. Kritika is live with us. She has more details on the same. Kritika, what is it that the CBSE seems to be saying now? Because serious flaws were flagged, CBSE seems to claim that they did attempt some sort of a course correction. Take us through the steps which the CBSE is highlighting at the moment.
Yes, Meenakshi, CBSE did respond to the, in fact, internal report that was submitted by evaluators after the dry run happened. However, this is the nature of it. Remember, the evaluators as well as members who attended the governing body meeting of the CBSE had stated that what they would want for this OSM to roll out on all subjects is only and only when dry run and pilot projects take place over different subjects covering different regional offices as well. So that needed to be the scale of the dry run as per the evaluators. What happened? There were 2 days of dry run that happened in Delhi, 20th and 21st of January, wherein about 8 principals, 100 evaluators had come together and they had checked answer scripts on previous year answer scripts in order to familiarize themselves with the entire process. And a lot of glaring red flags were in fact raised by the evaluators back then. The first and the core of them being how they're assessing the entire on-screen marking system to not be teacher-friendly and not even learner-friendly. What they said was that it lacks the critical element of human interface, and that is why a plethora of, in fact, suggestions were also given that did not just pertain to the absence of saving options, but also very menial but important evaluative techniques such as the teacher's ability to circle mistakes, to underline mistakes, to write question marks, or to make a question mark in places where an incomplete answer would have been written. Because this is also what CBSE has currently not been able to do, and which is also causing a lot of anguish to the students as well. Over to you.
While they say the changes were made, and they say before the full-scale implementation, they did attempt course correction. Obviously, as we all know, this is history anyway. Students all obviously have pointed out multiple errors. Kritika, do stay with us because